On March 30th, hip-hop artist, actor, and producer Clifford T.I. Harris Jr. hit the stage for a memorable Rock the Lyceum lecture. Prior to T.I.'s appearance, 4 North Carolina Central students had the opportunity to recite their original poems.
To find the greatest answer that ever was, my brother looked at me and he said, "You know what, Yanni, I want to be alive."
North Carolina Central senior Jessica Watson asked Harris a series of questions pertaining to his experience in the music industry and his role as a social activist, as well as words of wisdom for students to take heed to.
If you live for the cheers, you will die by the booze.
Come on, man.
I'ma just be the best me I can be. You know what I mean? And I'm not gonna look for acceptance or any validation from anyone but the people who matter most around me.
Eagle Access host Saji Duwa also questioned Harris on his future projects and on how students should stay motivated.
Yeah, I mean, you just really have to get up, man, and put one foot in front of the other every day and wake up with tenacious, unwavering desire to be better when you lay down than you were when you woke up. Get further ahead tomorrow, be further ahead tomorrow than you were today. And if you can do that and persevere through all of the challenges and adversities that come with it, then you can make it to be anything you want to be.